So good afternoon, we're here with another one of Tim's Tech Talks, and this afternoon we're going to look at a happy person off trialing the X22. Now this is just an amazing bike. The snow's melted here in Ottawa, so we're going to have a nice little drive. Just to give you a feel for how the bike takes off, accelerates, great fun to ride. The person driving it is 6 feet tall, 180 pounds. And you can see this X22 has lots of juice. We're going to watch him do a drive-by here. He'll probably get the bike up to third gear. Give you an idea just how fast this baby is. That's a great looking bike. There we go. And nice. And we'll just wait a minute till he returns. You can see how beautifully that bike maneuvers, corners just sweetly. That's an awesome bike. Check it out. Yeah, perfect day for a drive here in Ottawa. The snow finally melted, thank God. We'll look forward to seeing you soon on Tim's Tech Talk. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.